So hello everyone, Michael Ingledew from TDW. I'm all about making you successful with your technical documentation and technical information strategies. So this week we saw the start of the S1000D user forum here in London, and actually day one yesterday. Today we're starting day two, but I thought I'd give you a quick update on day one. It was actually really well attended. I think the girls at the reception were saying that they counted about 180 people yesterday or something along those lines, which is actually really good for a day one of the user forum. Nothing actually groundbreaking yesterday. So day one is always traditionally a how to get the best out of the specification, how to use the specification, and kind of low-level tutorials, if you like. What was really interesting was that I think it's Sierra from Boeing asked the question at the beginning, how many people were new to the specification. Probably a good 20% of the audience put their hand up, which was really interesting. And I think she also asked how many people it was their first time at the forum, and I think a good 50% of people put their hand up, which was also very good. So like I said, yesterday was all tutorials. We didn't really learn much, certainly I didn't learn much, but I did spend a lot of time with some customers. I did spend a lot of time with the exhibitors here. I'll take some B-roll later on and put that over the top so you can see the exhibitors that are here. So do stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know if you like this kind of stuff. I am here for the next couple of days, and I will do daily updates from the S1000D user forum, apart from tomorrow, which is Wednesday, when I'm going to the MRO show, but I'll do something from the MRO show too.